Hey, this is Pierre Vidaco talking. Just wanted to show you the new OneDrive. I don't have all the new features, but it's changed a little bit. So you have, the recent in the home. I guess you have the recent things that happen, the recent files that you open, and the activity on those files. And you're on the top. You have the most important thing for you. Notification in add comment in documents, for example, here. You can filter by type of document, only those documents. You cannot filter by video, for example. You can filter by name. So if I want to filter on somebody name, I can filter like that and see what is I've been sharing with me in OneDrive. um, you can also in my files, not a big change. In the future, you're gonna be able to change the color of those folders. That's gonna be nice because then you can highlight some folder that seeing a color is better than looking for the text, the name of the folder. So it might be very useful for some of the users. I know that for me it's gonna be definitely useful. So I can it's a way to tag a folder and see it more rapidly. the so you had shared, it didn't change. You can filter the same thing. But what has changed is, so you have a few things. You can add favorites. So you can, I don't remember if it was there, apparently it was, but you can add a document as a favorite. And we'll see, for example, if I go in my file and I'm going into, I don't know, let's sort this by name. And I want to put, can I do a favorite of a folder? Apparently not. I think a favorite is only for documents. So let's click on this one and let's see if I have a favorite here. So I'm going to sort by date. Let's say this one is a favorite. So if I click here, put it a favorite, so I can see the star here. And if I go in favorite, now I should have this here. You still have the recycle bin. So it's two-stage recycle bin. So you can empty recycle bin, you can restore document, you can go to the next step of recycle bin if needed. But what is new is you can have a view on people. So, all documents you've shared with those people, the people you're working the most with, I guess. That's how it's sorted. You can filter by person. So you see that, and also meetings. And so it's pretty useful because you can see your upcoming meetings, your meeting yesterday, and if there were documents. Most of the time, it's the recording of the meeting, but sometimes it's a way to find the recording pretty quickly instead of going to Teams. And you can also filter by meeting name if you know the meeting name. If you have a customer, maybe the customer name here. So pretty new, easy to use interface in the browser of OneDrive. Not changes on the file explorer, unfortunately, but hopefully the one feature I will like to have is the capability to see the colored folders and then showing, for example, in tiles and see, if I see a red one, maybe it's more important than the other, then I can access quickly to my folder. That's a limitation, I think, in OneDrive compared to SharePoint. You cannot use metadata on files, so you cannot categorize your files. You're really using folders to categorize your files. Hope this video was insightful.